What is an ETF? An ETF, Exchange Traded Fund, is a type of investment vehicle that you can buy on an exchange such as the ASX in Australia. These are not just one business or share that you're buying, such as BHP, but rather a fund that usually holds a collection of investments in one vehicle. This is one way that you can build diversified investments through an ASX account, and they provide investors with a way to gain exposure to a portfolio of assets without having to buy all of the individual assets separately. Most ETFs will display characteristics including diversification, typically holding a diversified portfolio of assets in an ETF, which could include shares, bonds, commodities, or other assets depending on which ETF it is. Transparency. Most ETFs provide transparency in terms of their underlying holdings, and you can usually find a list of the ETF's underlying assets on their website, allowing investors to see what they are investing in. Low cost. ETFs are often considered cost-effective investment options, but not always, although it is important to understand the cost of each specific ETF you may wish to consider. Some types of ETFs available in Australia include index ETFs, smart beta ETFs, sector-based ETFs such as banking for example, and fixed income ETFs, just to name a few. In recent years, the number and volume of ETFs available in Australia has expanded significantly. As with any investment, just because they're popular doesn't make them automatically good. So, investigate first, understand the risks and opportunities, and take care in making investment decisions, and consider the likelihood that it will be a good long-term proposition for you. Wishing you success and happiness.